building.
So this is how I film my video. Very exciting for me. What's happening? Good morning, everybody. Today our plan is to make banana bread for my friends in church. Now I'm gonna empty my dishwasher. There's no butter in my house, so I'm going to get butter downstairs. I can't believe there's no butter in the convenience store. So now I'm going to walk to Cairns Central. I'm pretty sure I'm lost. Wait, you're probably wondering, how did I end up here? I went to visit my new friend at her working place. She owns that place, by the way. And I just spent $70. There you go. Here's where my $70 went. It's all worth it though. I finally got my butter. I've been out for like an hour now. After exactly 1 hour, I'm finally back in my hotel with my butter.
And nails, and makeup remover, and a dress and jacket.
It is absolutely perfect weather outside. Like it's sunny, but then it's not hot. It's absolutely perfect. And I think I had a great morning.
Now I'm gonna make myself some lunch before I make banana bread because...
Okay, so these are the ingredients you need. Unsalted butter, bananas, salt, egg, baking soda, baking powder, brown sugar, cinnamon. I only have plain flour, and then I'm using almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you want. First, we need to preheat this to 125. Yep. Okay, now we can start. Hi guys, welcome to my baking tutorial. Today we're making a banana bread. This feels like the movie Favor. Was it called A Simple Favor? So yeah, my best friend went missing last week and
The police came to my house today and I told them over and over again, I don't know anything about it.
Alright, let's get started. I've already preheated my oven for like 10 minutes now because I've been procrastinating and setting up this camera set, or you can't really tell. But yeah, basically I don't have a tripod, so I have to find other solutions to film. So this is how I film my video, with clips that clips my phone and a soda pot, empty soda bottle, an empty soda pot, an empty soda bottle. Anyway, so first whisk the flour,
Baking powder, baking soda, salt, and...
basically everything. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I honestly don't know the difference, but we're just gonna follow the recipe. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, I feel like I put I feel like I put more than 1 teaspoon. Should I put some more? I just put a tiny bit more. A tiny bit more. 3 large bananas mashed. Well, I've got quite a lot of bananas. You know, I feel like I'm going to double the recipe because I'm making this for the church and I don't know how many people's gonna be there. So then we will need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5. I'll just use this.
Testing 1, 2. Can I have your attention, please? We are testing the fire alarms in the building.
That's good.
I repeat, we are testing the fire alarm. Please disregard. This is a test.
This is a test. Don't worry. This is a test. at that. Woo. Baby, looks so good. Now we need 6 teaspoons of unsalted butter, which is the butter I got this morning. The butter that took me 1 hour to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Smell this. In the meantime, we can add 1 large egg. Perfect. What do we need again? We needed... Oh yeah, brown sugar. Actually no, I needed egg. Brown sugar. 1 cup, so that's 1. That's half. 4 teaspoons of milk. That smells so good. Alright, this is looking very good. Now I'm gonna pour it in this. Should I put anything on this first? Or do I just pour it in? When I made cookies, I used to put this on, so I'm guessing I need this too. Okay, now we're gonna pour this in. Now, it's good. It's really good. It's actually really good. I'm not kidding. Okay, I'll go for 180 and bake for 15 minutes and I'll check. And then I'll put in for maybe another 10 minutes. In the oven. Actually very exciting for me. What's happening? I just put on for 20 seconds instead of 20 minutes. Oh my god. Let's clean up. Guys, it's ready. Oh shit. That nearly burns me. This looks so good. I want to show you. It smells so good. And I'm recording right now. Look, so I'm gonna cut them into pieces. Okay, let's just see. I just made 16 pieces. How did I do that? Very good. I just touched that again. Okay, so I've got dry bananas here and some icing. That's what it looks like, guys. I think it looks great. It's so cute. I'm actually very satisfied with these. Okay, let's try this one. First bite. It's not perfect, but it's good. I wouldn't sell these, but I like it. Next time, less cinnamon. Overall, they're really good. This is a solid 7 out of 10. Good job, Mia. Alright guys, that was my tutorial on how to make banana bread. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time. Love you, bye. This is so cute. They're gonna like it.